Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a cupcake poster design in Photoshop. Whether it's for a bakery, cafe, or just for your graphic designing skill, this step-by-step guide will make it easy for you. So let's get started. First, we'll create a new document with a 2000 by 2500 pixel size and 300 resolution. We'll rename it for better organization, then hit Create to get started. Now we'll embed the picture. So let's go to Chrome. Here I have this PNG cupcake image open. When searching, just add free PNG at the end to find the right PNG image. You can use any image that fits your design, whether it's a chocolate cupcake, vanilla, or any other style. But I've selected this one, so I'll simply right-click on it and select Copy Image Address. Now go back to Photoshop, head to File. After that, click on Place Embedded and paste the link we just copied. Once the PNG image is embedded, we'll resize and position it properly to fit the design layout. Once you are done with the alignment, select the text layer, then duplicate it. After that, hide the bottom text. Here you can pick any dark color from your cupcake to match the theme. Once selected, just hit OK. Lock the solid color background layer, then select the curvature pen tool. Now create a random smooth path behind the cupcake to enhance the design. Once the path is created, press Ctrl plus Enter to activate the selection. Make sure the solid color background layer is selected, then go to Adjustments and add another solid color layer. Here, select a lighter shade than your background color to create a nice contrast. Once you're happy with the color, click OK, and finally convert the solid color layer into a smart object. Now, if you want to adjust the size and position manually, so you can do it. If you want to adjust the size and position of the cupcake, you can do that now. Next, select the background solid color layer, then go to File. After that, click on the Place Embedded and bring in the texture. Adjust its size and position of the texture too, then decrease the opacity to give the background a softer look, or you can say a lighter touch. Now select the bottom three layers, including the background, solid color, and texture layers. Group them together to keep the workspace organized. After that, rename the group to something relevant like background elements. To make it even easier to manage, assign a layer color for quick identification. Finally, lock the group to prevent accidental changes while working on the rest of the design. Now it's time to create a shadow for the cupcake. First, select the brush tool and create a new layer. Before painting, adjust the brush roundness and make sure it's set to a soft brush for a natural look. Also, ensure the foreground color is set to black. Then simply click behind the cupcake to add the shadow effect. If needed, you can still adjust the size and position of the shadow if you want. After that, you can lower the opacity of the shadow to blend it more naturally with the design. Now let's create a shine effect behind the cupcake. First, create a new layer, then reset the brush roundness and make sure it's a soft brush. Set the foreground color to white and simply double-click behind the cupcake to add the glow. Finally, adjust the opacity to give it a subtle and refined look. Select the shadow, shine, and cupcake layers, then group them together for better organization. Just like before, rename the group appropriately, such as cupcake, and assign a layer color if needed. Next, create a duplicate of this group. This will be used as a secondary product image at the top right corner to enhance the design. Then lock it and put at the top of that another locked group layer. Select the Type tool and type the main text, cupcake. Then select the text, and I'll be using Gotham Bold for this design. Once the font is applied, you can adjust the text settings as I'm doing to refine the look. Finally, make sure to adjust the size and position of the text to fit the composition perfectly. Next, we'll embed the paragraph text from another document. Once added, we'll adjust its size and position to ensure it fits well within the design layout. Next, we'll create an Order Now button. First, select the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Then set the corner radius to 100% for smooth rounded edges. Once the shape is created, we'll adjust its size and position to fit perfectly within the design. Now select the Type tool and type the text "Order Now" inside the button. Just like before, I'm using the Gotham font, but this time, I'll choose the bold variant to make it stand out. Once the text is added, adjust its size and position to ensure it's well aligned with the button. After that, change the text color to a dark shade picked from the background for a cohesive and professional look. Now we'll embed the logo in the top left corner. Since I don't have a logo right now, I'll type my YouTube channel name, Majestic Vision. To create a visual contrast, I'll change the first word, majestic, to white while keeping the second word as is. After that, I'll adjust the size and position to make sure it sits perfectly in the top left corner of the design. After that, we'll add the contact number for inquiries. I'll include my WhatsApp number, so if anyone wants to hire us, they can easily message us on WhatsApp. Now we'll embed the WhatsApp logo. Go to File greater than Place Embedded and bring in the PNG WhatsApp image. Once added, adjust its size and position to align with the contact number. Next, go to the Layers panel and double-click on the PNG layer to open the blending options. From there, select Color Overlay, change the color to white, and then hit OK to apply the changes. Now we'll add the discount offer to the design. I'll place the discount offer label from another document into this one. Once added, I'll adjust its size and position to make sure it stands out while maintaining the overall balance of the design. Next, I'll type 30% off and change the Gotham font family to medium for a balanced look. After that, I'll adjust the size and position to ensure it fits well within the discount label. Finally, I'll change the font color to the same dark theme color from the background, just like we did before, to maintain consistency in the design. I'll now adjust the size, position, and alignment of the 30% off text. We'll now add a PNG arrow to guide the direction. Go to File greater than Place Embedded and insert the arrow image. Once added, adjust its size, position, and rotation to ensure it points from the cupcake to the Order Now button. Finally, hold Alt key, drag and copy the white color overlay onto the arrow to match the design theme. Double-click on the discount label layer to open the Layer Style panel. Then check the Drop Shadow option and adjust the settings to achieve the desired shadow effect. Once you're satisfied with the look, simply hit OK to apply the changes. Now we'll duplicate the discount label layer and turn off its effects. Then double-click on the layer, check Stroke, and change the color to the shady theme color from the background. Set the position to inside and the size to 5 pixels, then hit OK to apply the changes. Unhide the effects, then hide the drop shadow. After that, use Transform to resize the label and make it smaller than the label. There you go. Now, select the top layer, go to the adjustment layer and click on Brightness and Contrast. Increasing the contrast enhances the design by making the elements stand out and look more visually appealing. You can see the beautiful touch added to the design. Now, if you want to change the color scheme, go to the adjustment layer, click on Hue and Saturation, and then adjust the hue slider to explore different stunning color variations in your design. For now, like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content. Thank you.